It really started with my dad and the engineering process. Where are you? Where do you want to be? Design a process, test it, redesign it, test it, iterate, So I was always looking for ways to get better with a long-term goal in mind. You have to have a framework for development. It doesn't have to be my framework, but you need to have some sort of way of evaluating where you're at, a way of evaluating where you want to be, and then develop a process to get there. So if you look at yourself and you say, I start at the end. So I look at, what do I want to be? If I'm building a video game character of myself, what are all the attributes that person has? So my goal right now is to be the best pitcher that ever walked the planet. And I set lofty goals for myself. I realize I'll probably never get there, but that's what I'm striving for, right? So I look at that and I say, okay, what does the best pitcher that ever walked the planet look like? He throws harder than everybody else. He commands the ball really well. He's very knowledgeable and can make adjustments very quickly. He can read hitters. He's got a deep arsenal with plus command of plus pitches. He's got so all these different things, right? So I say, okay, that's the goal. Then I look at where I'm at and I say, what do I do that's furthest away from that goal? What's the lowest hanging fruit? And let me go do that. So what's going to be best for that? Now, some people might want to go play summer ball because they just haven't pitched. They spent 2 years, they've been hurt, they've been rehabbing, they had to redshirt. But they've been healthy for 9 months now and just didn't get to play the season or whatever it is, right? They might need to test in the game. So they may need to get some innings in summer ball or just prepare them to be able to compete for next year. Other people might throw 82 as a junior in college, and it's if you want to continue playing, you need to throw harder. So playing summer ball and throwing 82 isn't going to do that for you. But have a framework, develop some consistent framework that you can evaluate against so that you can get feedback and you can figure out if your process is working or not, and then you can continue to make development.